Welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about logical operators. Okay. So there are three types of logical operator. Usually it is and, or, and not. Okay. And is represented by double ampersand, or is represented by this you can see, and not is with this particular. Okay. So you can find this in the keyboard itself. Okay, right? So an operator, odd operator, and not operator. So let us understand first the and operator. The and operator is simply one example, like I and my friend will be going for a movie. Okay, so if I say I and my friend will be going for a movie, means both are going for the movie, right? Yes. So in that particular situation, I will not going for a movie if my friend is not going. Even my friend will not go for a movie if I am not going. Okay. So that's type of is an operation. So that means if you take the value like 0 and 0, it will always give you 0. Okay, right? And if you try to get it, say 0 1, it will always give you 0. And if it is 1 0, it will always give you 0. And if it is 1 and 1, it will give you 1, right? So simply, okay, simply you can understand from this is that if I consider this to be me and this to be my friend, okay, so both we are not going for a movie, so no movie watching, right? Okay, I am not going for movie, but he is going for movie, but the condition is that both will be watching that movie, so nobody has watched the movie. Okay, I am planning to watch the movie, but he is not ready to watch the movie, right? That means no, both will not going to watch the movie. Now I am also ready, he is also ready. Okay, then that means we are both are watching the movie. Okay. Now similarly, if you have for okay, or if I said I or my friend will be watching the movie, that means if if he's not going, I will go for the movie. And suppose if he is not going for the movie, I am going for the movie, it's fine. I'm not going for the movie, he is going for the movie, the movie will be, he will going to watch the movie. Okay, right? And if both were going for the movie, we are watching the movie. And if you are not going for the movie, means we are not watching the movie. See, me, my friend not going for the movie, okay, right? Now, sorry. Next, okay, I'm going, okay, he is not going, he is not going. That means, we are watching the movie. Not we are watching, which movie has been watched. Okay, okay. I'm not going, but he is going. Yes. Okay. Both are going. Yes. Okay. So technically speaking, in and, if both the value are true, okay, then it is true. Otherwise, it is all false. Or, if any one of the value is true, then it is true. That's what we have to remember. Okay. For and, if both the value is true, then only it is true. Otherwise, all are zero. And in or, if any one of this value is true, then it is true. Okay. And for not, and for not, it is something like that. If I say it is, sorry, if I say it is, if I say it is 0, it will be 1. If I say it is 1, it will be 0. Okay, so now let us understand with some program, right? Okay, yes, very interesting. Please listen very carefully. Okay, the concept, it is clear. Okay, because this particular concept will be required when you are using if the conditional statements and all, right? So I declare one variable in x equal to, okay, I said this is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, what I'm doing. Okay, and in y equal to 0. Okay, right? And I write printf, okay, an operation, okay, okay, I write here, sorry, 1 minute, I write here z equal to x and y, okay, an operation, percentage d, okay, z, right, okay, let me save it. Now exit. Since both are 0, yes, so that means z should be also be 0. Let's see what happened. Oh, z I have not declared, sorry, int z. Okay, let me save it. Yes, see, an operation is 0, right? Right, because both are 0. Now let me change x to 1. Okay, save, execute it. An operation is 0, right? An operation is 0. X is 1, y is 0, but still z is 0. Okay, now let me change this to 0 and this to 1, and let me save it. Let me execute. Same again. Am operation is 0. That's what we said, right? Yes. Now this is the condition, right? Okay. Now let us put everything is 1. Okay. Then execute it. Now an operation is 1. An operation is 1. Yes. So your AND operation is clear. Correct. Now let us convert this to OR. Sorry. What I'm doing. Okay. Great. Yes. Fine. Now let me save. Let me make all as 0. Okay. Now execute it. Now this will be 0. Correct. Sorry. An operation I've written. Let me do this as OR operation. Okay. OR operation. Let me execute. Yes. The OR operation is 0. Both are 0. Okay. Now let me make x equal to 1 and let me see what is the answer. Yes. Now I get OR operation is 1. OR operation 1. Yes, because 1, 0 is 1. Okay. Now let me change this to 0 and this to 1. Okay. Again, I execute. And what you see, OR operation is 1. Right? Because either any of them is 1, the answer is 1. Okay. Now let me change this to 1. Okay. Then execute. OR operation is 1. Right? Yes. So this is clear. So for AND, only when both are 1, okay, true, it is true. And in OR, any one of them is true, okay, which is, I'm representing by here 1, okay. So it is true. Okay, now let us see if I say right here, okay, z equal to naught of x, and I putting x equal to 0. So what will be the value of z? Not operator. So since x is 0, naught is equal to 1. So z should be 1. Okay, so let me execute. Yeah, okay, let me say not operation. Okay, great. Save. Yes, not operation is 1. Okay, right? So let me now again put x equal to 1. So now z will be 0. Let me save it. Execute. Yes, it is 0. Okay. So what we have understood from the logical operator. Okay. So n 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. That means whenever both the input is 1, the output is 1. But in OR, we said 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 1. So any one of the input is 1, or both the input is also 1, we get output is 1. And in the NOT, if you have 0, the output will be 1, and if you have 1, we have output equal to 0. And with this particular exercise, we have understood the concept of, AND, or NOT. Okay, now I have been showing only with, only with number 1 and working, right, and 0. What if I put x equal to, 20, and if I put y equal to, 30, right? Or if I put some y equal to, right, minus 30. Okay, just think about it. Okay, I will be explaining this in my next video. Okay, I hope now AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation is clear to you all. Okay,